and welcome to another troubleshooting video tutorial. In this video I am going to show few solutions for no audio issue in Windows 10 computers related to Realtek driver. Recently this is a common issue with latest Windows 10 PCs having Realtek audio. The problem is that the Realtek audio manager is not showing in the control panel and your audio just is not there simply. If you plug your headphones or speaker in the rear audio port in some cases or the front audio port, you are not getting any audio. There are another type of this issue is that the speaker option is missing from sound control panel and you are only getting digital audio always selected as default. I am now going to show you two solutions and based on your PC, one of it is expected to work. This problem is most commonly related to the Realtek driver with Windows 10. Before I give you the solution, let's remove one possibility out of the equation, which is related to your outdated motherboard audio driver. So just to make sure, you uninstall all your audio drivers and related audio control panel software, then restart your PC and go to your motherboard's website and download the latest audio driver from there. After downloading, install it and restart your PC. If it solved your issue, then fine. No need to do anything else. If not, then follow my solution. So this is my first solution. For this, you have to go to control panel. You have to select the Realtek driver for your PC. Here, this is for me actually. And after uninstalling this software, you also have to remove any associated software that was bundled with your motherboard from the motherboard manufacturer. For example, I am using here Asus Strix X470F, and this motherboard comes with Sonic Radar, Sonic Studio, and Realtek console from the manufacturer, I mean from the Asus. So to fix this, first I have to remove all those associated softwares. Now what you have to do is restart your PC and then go to devices. Now you have to select this option, sound, video and game controllers, and you have to select this option, Realtek high definition audio. For your PC it may appear like Windows HD audio device or something. You have to right click on it, select uninstall device, and in this window you have to check this option, delete the driver software for this device, and select uninstall. Now I am just saying this just to make sure everything is in right place. In your PC, this option may not appear if your uninstallation worked fine. So if not, you have to do this. Now you have to go to the C drive inside program files, and you have to check if there are any Realtek folder in that particular area. So if present, you have to delete it as well. Same, you have to check inside the program files x86 folder and again check for Realtek folder and delete it. Then restart your PC. Now after restart, you have to open your browser. Just search for Realtek driver download, and possibly the first result you will get is from Realtek official website to download the audio codec. I will provide the link in the description section just to make sure. Then you have to download the latest driver, which is at the time of recording this video is R2.82, and based on your computers, if it is 64-bit or 32-bit, you have to download the corresponding version of this particular driver. Now after downloading, you have to install this driver in your PC, and again you have to restart it. After restart, plug in your headphones in the rear audio panel of the motherboard, and now it should detect it as a speaker device. Open sound setting from here, and now you can configure your audio device like this. For this example, I am using a 7.1 setup. For a regular headphone, it should be the stereo option. So in this window, you can easily configure your headphone, and your headphone should work properly. You can also get some option related to your microphone here. There are another option you can find in the Windows control panel. This is related to Realtek HD Audio Manager. You have to open the Windows control panel and then change the icon type to large icon and remove the category view, and here you can get this Realtek HD Audio Manager. But say if you are not getting it inside control panel, then what you have to do? I am just showing it right now. You have to select say large icon, and here you should get a option for Realtek HD Audio Manager. For my example, it is not present. It may also happen to you as well. So for this, you can check my second solution. Now, before you do anything new, you have to remove the Realtek driver you have installed just now, that is the R2.82. And after uninstallation, you have to restart your PC. Now you have to download the Realtek driver version 2.81. Then you have to install it and restart your PC. This time your control panel should appear along with HD audio jack detection. However, if you are not in desperate need to get the Realtek HD Audio Manager in your control panel, I would recommend you to stick with the latest version, that is the R2.82, and configure your audio from the sound setting of the Windows option. However, it is just my suggestion. Now if you have a headphone or any 7.1 surround setup to configure, I will post another video on how to do it from Windows Sound Control Panel, so that you don't need to use Realtek Audio Manager. After installation and restart, you just plug in your headphone, and immediately it may not get recognized by the computer. Simply you remove the jack, wait for a few minutes and so, and just plug it in again. It will eventually detect. Now in this solution, I have considered that your hardware or motherboard audio is working fine. If it is not, any of the solution will not going to work in your system, and you have to submit your motherboard to service center for a repair or replacement. Also, make sure the headphone you are using to test is actually working. Yes, it may appear like a dumb suggestion, but I mean just in case, to avoid any false negative. So this is it for this tutorial. Please give it a like if it works, and do let me know in the comment section below. Also, I would request you to share this tutorial with others facing similar issues to help them. However, in case this solution are not working in your system, then also let me know in the comment section with your problem description, and I will try my level best to help you. Also, consider subscribing this channel to get more helpful videos like this. I bring different types of tips and tricks and troubleshoot videos, and your subscription keeps me motivated to bring more contents. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.